Welcome back. Today we're tackling a universal challenge: stress. Stress isn't just a feeling, it's a real, physical response that can impact your sleep, relationships, and happiness. The good news? You have more control than you think. Managing stress is about building a toolkit of strategies, not eliminating stress entirely. In this video, I'll break down 10 actionable science-backed techniques you can start using today. From breathing exercises to knowing when to seek support, you'll get a practical roadmap to crush stress and boost your mental health. Let's dive in. First up, breathing. It might sound simple, but the way you breathe has a powerful impact on your mind and body. Most people don't realize how much their breath influences their stress levels and overall well-being. Most of us breathe shallowly, especially when stressed, which keeps our bodies in fight or flight mode. Shallow, rapid breaths signal to your brain that you're in danger, even if you're just sitting at your desk or dealing with daily worries. Deep belly breathing is a quick reset for your nervous system. It tells your body that you're safe, helping you shift from stress to calm in just a few moments. Here's how. Place one hand on your chest and the other on your belly. This helps you notice where your breath is going. Inhale slowly through your nose, letting your belly rise as you fill your lungs with air. Feel your hand on your belly move outward. Hold your breath for a moment, then exhale slowly and completely, making your exhale longer than your inhale. Let your shoulders drop and your body relax as you breathe out. This activates your body's relaxation response, helping you feel more centered and in control. Just a few minutes of this can lower your heart rate, reduce tension, and calm your mind. You might notice your thoughts slow down and your body feel lighter. Practice daily, even when you're not stressed, so it becomes second nature when you need it most. The more you practice, the easier it gets to use this tool in any situation. Set a reminder on your phone to do this for 2 minutes, 3 times a day. Consistency is key to making deep breathing a habit. Use it before meetings, tough conversations, or any time you feel tension rising. It's a simple way to ground yourself and approach challenges with a clear mind. It's free, always available, and incredibly effective. You don't need any equipment, just your breath and a few moments of focus. Make deep breathing your go-to stress hack and watch how it transforms your day-to-day life. With practice, you'll feel calmer, more focused, and ready for whatever comes your way. Next, move your body. Exercise isn't just about fitness, it's a powerful stress buster. Any movement counts: walking, dancing, gardening, or even a quick stretch. Physical activity releases endorphins, your body's natural mood boosters. It also helps you focus on the present, breaking the cycle of anxious thoughts. Regular movement lowers stress hormones and improves your resilience. You don't need intense workouts, just 20-30 minutes of activity most days makes a difference. Find something you enjoy so you'll stick with it. Even a 10-minute walk can clear your head and shift your mood. Think of movement as a prescription for your mind. When stress hits, get moving. Sleep is your body's reset button, and it's crucial for stress management. Lack of sleep makes you more reactive and less able to cope with challenges. Good sleep helps your brain process emotions and recover from daily stress. Stick to a consistent sleep schedule, even on weekends. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Read, stretch, or listen to calming music. Make your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Avoid screens at least an hour before bed. Blue light disrupts melatonin. Protecting your sleep is one of the best things you can do for your mental health. Break the stress-sleep cycle by making rest a priority. A well-rested mind is a resilient mind. Humans are wired for connection, and social support is a powerful stress buffer. When we spend time with people who care about us, our bodies and minds feel safer and more at ease. These connections help us weather life's storms and remind us that we're not alone in our struggles. When you're overwhelmed, resist the urge to isolate. Reach out instead. It's natural to want to withdraw when things get tough, but reaching out can be the first step toward feeling better. Sharing your feelings with someone you trust can make worries feel lighter. Sometimes, just saying what's on your mind out loud can help you see things more clearly and feel less burdened. Even a simple conversation or a hug can lower stress hormones and boost oxytocin, the bonding hormone. Physical touch and genuine connection have real, positive effects on your brain and body. quality matters more than quantity. Just one or two close connections make a big difference. You don't need a huge social circle. A few meaningful relationships can provide all the support you need. Connection isn't always deep talk. Laughter and shared activities count too. Enjoying fun moments together, whether it's playing games, going for a walk, or simply sharing a joke, strengthens your bonds and lifts your mood. Prioritize time with friends or family, or join a group that interests you. Making space in your schedule for connection is an investment in your well-being. Don't wait for stress to pile up. Make connection a regular habit. Set reminders, plan regular meetups, or simply check in with loved ones often. Social support is essential for mental well-being. It helps us feel understood, valued, and resilient, especially during tough times. Pick up the phone, schedule a coffee, or just spend time together. Small gestures can make a big difference in how connected and supported you feel. You're not alone. Lean on your people. Remember, reaching out is a sign of strength, and your connections are a vital part of your happiness and health. Mindfulness means paying attention to the present moment, on purpose, without judgment. It's about truly noticing what's happening right now, your thoughts, your feelings, and the sensations in your body, without trying to change or judge them. This simple act of awareness can be surprisingly powerful. Most stress comes from dwelling on the past or worrying about the future. Our minds often replay old mistakes or imagine worst-case scenarios, which only adds to our anxiety and tension. Mindfulness pulls you back to now, breaking that cycle. By focusing on the present, you can interrupt those stressful thought patterns and find a sense of calm, even if just for a moment. Try a simple meditation. Sit quietly, focus on your breath, and gently return your attention when your mind wanders. It's normal for thoughts to pop up. Just notice them and come back to your breath, again and again. Even 3 to 5 minutes can help. You don't need to meditate for hours to feel the benefits. Just a few minutes each day can make a noticeable difference in your mood and stress levels. You can also practice informal mindfulness. Notice your senses while drinking coffee, walking, or even washing dishes. Pay attention to the taste, smell, and feel of what you're doing, and let yourself be fully present in the experience. Mindfulness strengthens your brain's ability to handle stress and gives you space to choose your response. Over time, you'll find it easier to pause before reacting, making it possible to respond thoughtfully instead of automatically. It's not about emptying your mind, but noticing your thoughts without getting caught up in them. Imagine your thoughts as clouds drifting by. Observe them, but don't chase after them or push them away. With practice, you'll feel calmer and more in control, even in chaos. Mindfulness helps you stay grounded so you can handle whatever life throws your way with greater ease and resilience. Make mindfulness a daily habit. Set a reminder, add it to your routine, or find small moments throughout your day to pause and be present. The more you practice, the more natural it will become. What you eat affects your mood and stress levels. Stress often leads to cravings for sugar, fat, and caffeine, but these can make things worse. Too much caffeine can make you jittery and anxious and disrupt your sleep. Sugar gives a quick high, but the crash leaves you more stressed and tired. Instead, focus on whole foods, fruits, veggies, whole grains, and healthy fats. Omega-3s, like salmon and walnuts, and magnesium, leafy greens, nuts, support your brain and stress response. Start small. Swap soda for water, or add an extra veggie to your meal. Think of food as fuel for your mind. A balanced diet builds resilience from the inside out. Nourish your body, and your mind will follow. Our always-on digital world is a major source of stress. Your brain needs breaks from constant notifications and information overload. Schedule regular tech-free breaks. Use the Pomodoro technique. 25 minutes of work, 5 minutes of rest. During breaks, step away from screens, stretch, look outside, or move around. Be mindful of what you consume online. Limit news and unfollow accounts that stress you out. Designate tech-free times, like the first hour after waking or before bed. Use unplugged time to connect with people, read, or enjoy a hobby. These breaks help your mind reset and boost creativity. Reclaim your attention and give your nervous system a chance to recover. Unplugging is essential self-care. Overwhelm often comes from setting goals that are too big or vague. Break big goals into small, specific steps, like walk 20 minutes 3 times this week instead of get in shape. Achieving small wins builds momentum and motivation. Apply this to work, home, or any area of life. Turn daunting tasks into clear, manageable actions. Learn to say no when your plate is full. Protecting your time is key to reducing stress. Setting boundaries isn't selfish, it's necessary for well-being. Focus on progress, not perfection. Each small step forward builds confidence and reduces anxiety. You'll feel more in control and less overwhelmed. Take it one step at a time. Journaling is a powerful way to process stress and clear your mind. Try a brain dump. Write down everything on your mind for 10 minutes, no filter. Getting thoughts out of your head can bring instant relief and clarity. Gratitude journaling is another tool. Write 3 things you're grateful for each day to shift your focus from problems to positives. Journaling can also help you spot patterns and brainstorm solutions. You don't need a fancy notebook, just make it a regular habit. It's a private space to be honest with yourself and work through tough emotions. Even a few minutes a day can make a big difference. Think of it as mental decluttering. Journaling helps you find calm in the chaos. Sometimes, stress becomes too much to handle alone, and that's okay. Seeking professional help is a sign of strength, not weakness. If you're feeling persistently sad, anxious, or unable to function, reach out to a therapist or counselor. Professionals can help you identify root causes and develop personalized coping strategies. Therapy is effective and more accessible than ever, with options for in-person or online support. Watch for signs like changes in sleep, appetite, or loss of interest in things you enjoy. If you're relying on unhealthy coping methods or having thoughts of self-harm, seek help immediately. Millions benefit from therapy every year. It's an investment in your future. You don't have to go it alone. Reach out. You deserve support. We've covered 10 proven strategies to help you crush stress and boost your mental health. Don't just watch, take action. Pick one tip and try it today. Small, consistent steps lead to big changes. Share your favorite stress-busting strategies in the comments. Your story could help someone else. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more wellness tips. Take care of yourself. You've got this. See you in the next video.